Today we talk about cowhide pen holders. Look at the paper release. The paper comes out with a belt and then a press knife. Paper go-to alignment. The paper go-to refolded first conveyor plate, and by the second there are spring hooks to hook the corners. Then spray it with a glue gun. Then fold the side with a small pre-folder device. Then use a glue gun to apply glue again. Press down on one side with a squeegee, and when you get there, wire it down. Don't let its lobular head float. We'll hold it down while we're here. Thanks for watching.